What's the number one obstacle you will face when trying to land recurring rental clients in your new digital landlord agency? No, it's not your lack of technical skills. It isn't. It's not where you live or where you don't live. It's not that you're too old or too young. Nothing like that either. It's not how you look. It's not even down to how much experience you have. The number one obstacles standing in the way of your success are that businesses do not trust you, and you don't know the right way to get money from clients. Boom, it's that simple. Just think about how logical that is. In order for clients to trust you with their hard-earned money, you need to look and sound like a pro. And this time, Peter and I have one final upgrade offer for you, help position you as the trusted expert and authority in your niche, while helping you rent more digital storefronts to businesses at higher prices. And to be quite honest, giving you a license to practically print money in this new digital economy. Interested? Well, let's switch over to Peter as he's going to reveal what this is all about. Peter, take it away.
Thanks again for that, Todd. So for you watching this video right now, fellow digital landlord, I've got a question for you. Do you feel confident in your ability to get money from clients? I'm serious, because let's face it, unless you know how to communicate with potential clients and what to say and when to say it to get those potential clients throwing their credit card at you when you tell them about what you have to offer, well then you don't actually have a business. You just have a very time-consuming and expensive hobby. And sadly, this is the case for most people trying to get any new online business off the ground. They start off excited and ready to take on the world. They invest in all the software, the tools, and the training that they need, just like you did by investing in the 7-Day Digital Landlord today, which was a very wise choice, by the way. But the sad reality is 9 out of 10 people who try to make it online will never make a single dime. Now, you're obviously plugging into one of the best business models out there right now inside the 7-Day Digital Landlord, so you have a massive advantage over everybody else. You're getting all the software, tools, and training that you need to be successful, including our copy and paste client getting scripts that will help you generate new client leads. But neither Todd or I can close those clients for you. That part is up to you. But what if I could install within you the highly valuable skill that will ensure that you never go another day of your life wondering how to close the deal and get money from clients ever again? What if I could tell you exactly what to say to potential clients, as well as when and exactly how to say it, to ensure that you can take any interested prospect from a complete stranger to a high-paying client in less than 30 minutes, without you needing to be pushy or salesy at all? And what if I could make you look like a seasoned and trusted professional digital landlord, even if you're a complete newbie starting from scratch? So clients don't even think twice about doing business with you, and you can rent more digital storefronts to more businesses at higher prices, and quite honestly, practically have a license to print money in this new digital economy. Well, it's all possible with this upgrade called the Digital Landlord Marketing and Sales Kit. And this is going to equip you with the done-for-you marketing and sales assets that build trust and turn prospects into paying clients fast. Now, here's exactly how this works. When you upgrade your order now using the button below here on this page, we're going to instantly add the Digital Landlord Marketing and Sales Kit to your existing 7-Day Digital Landlord account. And then once you log in, you're going to see 2 additional Digital Landlord Agency storefront themes waiting for you on the inside and ready to deploy for your business with just one click of your mouse. And these 2 agency storefront themes are going to give you the professional online presence that you need to instill trust in potential clients. So you're not just offering this to clients, you're doing it too. You practice what you preach. And this will naturally make it a lot easier for you to close deals with clients. And you're also going to get access to my advanced high-ticket sales training called High Ticket Clients Without Selling. And in this training, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to communicate with potential clients. I'm going to tell you exactly what to say and when to say it to ensure that 1 out of every 5 businesses who are interested in your digital storefronts become a paying client and a new recurring revenue stream for you. And when you enroll your first client using this script and they give you permission to charge their business credit card for a 4-figure payment on the spot, a whole new world will open up to you as you realize I'm in control of my destiny now and I can generate new sales whenever I want. When you click the button below to add this upgrade to your order right now. And when you do that before our special launch event ends, I'll even throw in these additional bonuses that will make it even easier for you to close those high ticket deals. I'm going to give you a custom designed, done for you client getting video ad as well that will pre-sale potential clients on your digital storefront services so you don't have to. And we're also going to give you a proposal and invoicing system that we're going to add to your rapid storefront builder software that you can use to easily send invoices and quickly get paid from clients every single month. And I'm also going to give you a professionally written digital landlord agency contract. And this is going to allow you to protect yourself, avoid costly mistakes, and ensure that your clients commit to a previously agreed rental period, which will help you create more predictability and consistency in your income. Because you won't have clients randomly canceling before the contract ends. Now, of course, this is a very special offer only available to a small number of 7-day digital landlord customers, and it's only available for a limited time. The total value of everything inside the digital landlord marketing and sales kit is well north of $2,000 if you were to buy it from me as a stranger. But as a new 7-day digital landlord customer, you're getting this entire package for less than the price of dinner for 2 people. So obviously this offer can't stay up forever, and I reserve the right to remove this discount at any time without notice. So don't get left behind. Click the button below right now to upgrade your order, and I'll see you on the inside.